Hi, my name is Judy Kessinger. I'm the owner and creator of the Fit Nice system. I designed this system to make your sewing easy. So let me show you an easy way to do this. I am talking about the top and the pants. These are the only two patterns in the system. Everything is done off of these two patterns. Now, when I first started to sew, I sewed with manufactured patterns like Butterick, McCall, Simplicity, and Vogue. And on the back side, they all had yardages. Yay! Well, I don't really do it that way, so I'm going to show you a different way to think about yardages. You don't need to write them down. I bet you used to do that. You'd write on a little piece of paper, pattern number, blah, 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 and how many yards you needed to do that. So I'm going to show you a different way to think about yardages. So even if you go to Timbuktu, you're ready to buy your fabric. So let's do this. We're going to take a tape measure, and we are going to measure how much what we're going to make. So let's just do a top first. So if I do a top, I'm going to measure myself in a mirror so I can see it, or a top, maybe a top you have. I'm going to go from the center of my shoulder over my bust and to the length I want the garment to be. Okay? As I have on this right now, it's 27 inches. I would add 2 inches for him, so I need 29 inches. So let's just say I need 29 inches for the front of my garment. I need 29 inches for the back of my garment. How long are you going to make the sleeves? You're going to make them 3/4. You're going to make them short sleeves, long sleeves. You need a sleeve length. So in order to make this top, I need a length of fabric for the front, a length of fabric for the back, and a length of fabric for the sleeve. Very simple, very easy. If you are in a place that you're never going to be back again, I would suggest you buy at least 2 yards for a knit top. You'll have plenty no matter what kind of design you decide to do. So tomorrow, I'm going to make a dress that's longer than a top. So again, take your tape measure, and you want to go to however long you want the dress to be. You need a length for the front. You need a length for the back. You're going to make sleeves? Then you need a length for the sleeves. So if you think in those terms, you'll be fine. Now, really tiny ladies can get their front and the back on the same 60-inch width. Those of us that are a little more endowed, we need more length. But to be safe, a length for the front, a length for the back, and a length for the sleeve. Most knit fabrics come 60 inches wide. Every once in a while, I've seen them 54 inches wide. So if you bought the fabric and didn't know exactly how wide it was, can you see you'll have plenty if you do it this way. How much fabric do I need for my pants? Take a retractable tape measure, one that has a little tab on it, put it on the floor, step on it, take it up to your waist. You need 2 times that length. Whatever that length is, you need times 2. That will give you enough fabric to do this. You want to make capris. How long you want the capris to be? Go from your capri length again to your waist, 2 lengths. One for the front, one for the back. Want to make shorts? Go from your short, however long you want the shorts, to your waist, 2 lengths. So if you'll always remember to think of your patterns or of your garments in lengths versus this pattern takes this much, this pattern takes that much, then you've taken it to your personal pattern. Not what size I am, or not how tall or how short I am, but what you are. So you will know exactly how much yardage to buy. Once you've made your pattern and you're happy with the length of the pattern, then you can write that down. But in my head, when I'm out of town and I can't go back to that store and buy more fabric, I buy 2 yards for a top, I buy 3 yards for pants, and I would buy 3 yards for a coat or a jacket or a dress. So I know within that yardage I'm fine. If you want to make a jacket and pants to match, 5 yards. So just think in terms of lengths and you're going to be much happier. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've seen how simple and easy this system is to work with. All of the products you've seen in the video are available on my website or a link on my website. Please make sure while you're there to check out the classes to see where I am. Join me on Facebook under Fit Nice and be sure to join the Fit Club. Thank you.